How are you folks? Hope you're well. Another project today, something a little bit different. I'm going to see if we can get this fan back to lovely working order. It's Airflow 12, made in Footscray, probably in the early 1970s. I can't really find out much information on these. I know that the Warner Drayton company was bought out probably in the mid to late 70s, and they moved premises out to Scoresby or Ferntree Gully. And but other than that, I really can't find out much information about these. However, we do have this Airflow 16, which my parents bought in the early 1970s, and I don't know how much they paid for it, probably about $35, which was probably about 3 years' wages back then. Anyhow, we've had this fan since then, and it has just worked and worked and worked, and it's just still going. And I serviced it about 12 months ago. I stripped the internals down and had a look, and it was absolutely spotless inside, despite all the years of use. So, without further ado, we're going to move on and see if we can get this one going, and see if we can get it looking as good as 16. Let's do it. Alright, so there it is, the Airflow 12. I bought it off Marketplace for $10, and I don't even actually know if it works, so we'll just plug it in and see. There we go. Let's have a look. Safety switch too, which helps. There we go. 3 speeds all seem to work. Oscillates. All right. Not bad, a bit dirty. It looks like it's been outside in someone's shed. But we can clean all this up. Let's get the blades out. Oh, there we go. A bit of a crack in there. We might be able to repair that. Looks like somebody may have glued that back in. A bit hard to tell, but we'll soon find out. Okay. Right, the whole assembly is stuck in by these 3 screws on the back. There we go. So it comes off in. I see, it's all held in by the grill's held in by the top casing. So if we get this off without damaging. There we go. There's the inner grill, not too bad. Alright, let's have a look inside. Oh, I've disconnected it, by the way. Alright. Let's have a look at the internals. Well, overall, it's not too bad. It's a bit dusty inside, as you kind of expect. Probably 50 years of neglect, but it's actually beautifully made. Look at the interior of that. That's just incredible. You know, you buy fans these days for 20, 25 bucks, and you'd probably be lucky to maybe get through 12 months with it. But look at that, just absolutely beautifully made. There's little funnels here. Must be for lubricating. Just a little bit of service every year, and it's just keep running sweet. So let's start pulling it down. It should just come straight out. Look at that, beautifully made. A bit dirty, but never mind, we'll clean it all up. Be like new. Good small screwdriver. Okay, so the motor just comes out. Remarkable condition, beautifully made. All right, this is the oscillating mechanism, and that just comes out. A washer underneath, and this one here is held in with a clip. There we go. Got a clip, and that should just slide out. He says. Here we go. And we've got a washer. And that probably should just come out as well. I'll have to check that out. I'm sure it will. With a little bit of persuasion. Okay. Let's have a look. Okay, here we go. Take this off. There we go. And that'll come out. And now this should just slide straight out. Beautiful. There we go. Okay. All right. So we'll take. See if we can get this out now. Oh, there you go. We've got a screw underneath there. Take that out. Okay. There we go. And we've got a washer on there as well. There we go, and a washer on there as well. Okay, we'll just keep all that together for now. Actually, just put that back in there and just put that back together just to keep it all in place. Okay, we'll give all this a proper clean up. We'll just have a look at it for now. Okay, now that is, if you have a look there, we go. You'll notice that has a crack in it, so we might have to attend to that just to stop it from going any further. Yeah, I don't think that's supposed to be there either. So we might have to perhaps repair this, because if we don't attend to it now, the top will probably be a little bit unstable in the future. And I noticed this was actually the same problem with the 16 too. It suffering the same fate. So, you know, worst comes to worst, we could probably machine something up, but I think we should be able to repair that without any issue. Let's have some coffee. All right, so we've got the top section stripped. So let's have a look and see what's underneath. Okay. Dusty. Oh, look at that, folks. Look at that, beautifully made. Everything cut to the perfect length. Amazing. All right, let's keep stripping it down. Quarter inch. All right. The electric's out of there. Amazing, look at that, beautiful. Beautiful quality. Absolutely beautiful quality, folks. Alright, so there you have it, all stripped down. I've got the centre cap out. As you can see, there's a bit of a crack in there. So we might have to attend to that. We should be able to fix that up, no worries. It's a Warner Drayton model 21.6, 240 volt, 0.4 of an amp. So just let's have a look. All right, there's the casting. Beautifully made, absolutely beautiful. Look at that, everything has a purpose. We'll probably do, I dare say we'll probably get this hydroblasted. We'll clean it up a bit first, but we'll get it hydroblasted and then we'll be able to give it a new fresh coat of paint. And same with the grill. I mean, this grill, as you can see, it's pretty, it needs a bit of attention, that's for sure. Maybe a little bit of, oh no, it's not too bad on the inside. It might be a bit rusty. We'll have to wait and see. We'll probably get it hydroblasted as well. And we'll take out this centerpiece, see if we can get it out. Ah, comes out nice and easily. Okay, we'll take that inside and clean it up and see how it turns out. Okay, we'll clean this up as well. Actually, I've left some a little bit of gauze in there actually. Okay. Okay, they should be saturated with oil, but they're not. There's beautiful bushings in here. I don't think I'll get this blasted because I'll have to try and remove these bushes, which I don't really want to do at this stage. I want to leave it in there. So I'll probably just scuff this up and repaint. But look at that, look at the casting, folks. Absolutely beautiful. And the top cap as well, we'll be able to get that hydroblasted. We've got these little pins in here. You remove these pins. And they're the two oil holes, so you can just bit of servicing every year, a little bit of oil, and it runs down those funnels that I showed you earlier. So we'll get that blasted. That'll come up great. We'll check out the blades. Hopefully they're okay. That seems all seems pretty solid, but we'll give it a wash. Take it inside and give it a wash and see how it comes up. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Absolutely rock solid. Beautifully made. And nice. We'll take this all to bits too and give it a good clean up. Look at that. Beautifully made. And there's the bottom plate. It's a model 21.6 Warner Drayton. 240 volt, 0.4 of an amp. So, go. 96 watts. It sucks a bit of power, but nevertheless.